The common methods to run Windows on Mac are using Bootcamp or virtual machines installed from a USB drive. However, Bootcamp requires partitioning your hard drive and restarting to switch operating systems. A better solution is to use virtualization software like Parallels Desktop or VMware Fusion. These tools allow you to run Windows 10 and macOS simultaneously without rebooting and can run without the need for a USB drive. This provides seamless integration between both operating systems, allowing you to copy and paste files, run Windows applications directly from your macOS dock, and more. This video will guide you through the process. First, download and install Parallels Desktop on your Mac. Once installed, open Parallels Desktop, and it will guide you through creating a new virtual machine. Select the option to download Windows 10. Parallels will download and install a copy of Windows 10. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a user account and configure Windows. Once the installation is complete, Windows 10 will run in a window on your Mac desktop. You can switch between coherence mode, seamless integration, and windowed mode for different experiences. Explore Parallels tools for optimizing performance and customizing the integration between macOS and Windows.